1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The exhaust and the expansion exhaust and whatever, it is really good. Yeah, it's not. This is the worst exhaust I have ever used. This exhaust is just rubbish. It's so bad, it steals so much power. State of the art box exhaust is performing way better than this old school exhaust. Okay, that was easy. Who knows? This exhaust. Wait for it. The classic. The classic Vespa exhaust with the typical sound. And if you read the description in certain big shops, it's an amazing, really good racing exhaust. You know, the shape, resonance and the exhaust and the expansion exhaust and whatever, it is really good. Yeah, it's not. This is the worst exhaust I have ever used. It throttles every engine. It's a really bad exhaust. It still costs $140. Sadly, it has the description from the 90s that it is an awesome exhaust. The thing is, this was never meant to be a racing exhaust. As someone who has a lot of old school knowledge, as someone who has a lot of old school 80s, 90s knowledge told me, that was never supposed to be a racing exhaust. It's just an optical racing exhaust, but it was intended to be an original exhaust, powerwise. So just optic of a racing, but still original power, and that is how it performs. Sadly, a lot of people all over the world are using it, also because of the wrong online description in certain shops, because if the biggest shop states this is an awesome exhaust, all the small ones are copying it and sharing it, paste and copy, but it's still wrong info. This exhaust is just rubbish. It's so bad, it steals so much power. Every up-to-date, state-of-the-art box exhaust is performing way better than this old school exhaust. And what we're gonna do, as this is completely useless old metal, we're gonna cut it open. And as I'm a lazy guy, as you know, oh, by the way, cheers. I'm not using the saw, I'm using the flex grinder, and because I want to see what's inside. Because it really does look like a racing exhaust, does it? You know, here, expansion, etc. and so on. But it just performs like an original exhaust. So what did they do inside that it is such a throttle that it just does not perform? I'm really curious. So let's cut it open and see. Cheers. Guys. Just discovered something funny. Look at this. Oops. Wait for it. Look. This says Vespa 125 PX DGM. What is it? 3758S. Someone told me that DGM is a legal number to use it in Italy. Is it? I don't know. But if you look at this is not a 125 exhaust. This is definitely a 200 exhaust. But did they just use the 125 and added 200 manifold. Yeah, but that's not the reason why it performs so shitty. So let's get it open, shall we? What's going on in here? Nothing. That's just a hose. Okay. So let's cut the next part. Let's cut it here, shall we? Yeah, that's just a hose. Okay. What's going inside? No, it's empty. It's nothing. Nothing special in there. Okay. Let's cut the next part. Let's cut the next part. I did expect something inside here. Let's cut it here. It's completely blocked. Is it? Yeah. Cut it open here. Like this, so we can just open it and see what's inside. Should we open it? So what did they do inside that this is such a shitty exhaust? Sorry guys, you like it, it sounds good, it's the classic, it has a good description. Yes, but it steals 30, 40, 50% of the power. So what did they do? Ooh. Look at this. Yeah, no wonder that this shit cannot perform. They closed it here, they closed it here. And they even closed it here. Okay. Yeah, guys, this cannot perform. This may make nice sounds. Classic Vespa sound, but this is not an expansion exhaust. This is just bullshit. No, it is what it is. It was, let's be fair, it was intended to be a exhaust that looks like a racing exhaust, but is still an original exhaust, and it definitely is. It has 1, 2, 3 chambers at least, or if you count the last one, 4. Let's measure how. Let's measure. $18. Okay. Last part. Cutting open. We want to know the diameter, inner diameter of this hose. Shall we try with a saw? Let's try. What's going on in here? Nothing. It is. Hot. Woohoo! Shot sauce. Oh, sorry. That there's just a hose with holes inside, No wool, no nothing. That's a fake damper. Oh yeah. Nothing inside. Oh god, this exhaust is fake. Big fail. Beginning to end. Holy shit. Fuck. And they still take 140 euros for this shit. Oh god, this is bad. Just my personal opinion, okay? Cheers.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?